Say hi to Mom. Say, I'm helping unload the dishwasher. It's my favorite thing. What is that? Is that a spoon? Spoon. Fork. Fork. Yeah, is that a fork? Yeah? Hi, sweetheart. That's your favorite, huh? Can you show us what you've been doing? We unload the dishes onto the floor. It's our favorite. Are you going to let Roscoe in? Roscoe's outside and he wants to come in. Hi, Roscoe. He thinks maybe there's dirty dishes. That's Roscoe's favorite. Hi. Yes, there's your doggy. Oh, coughing. There's Roscoe. Yeah. Is that a spoon? Carter, where's the spoons? What's Roscoe doing? What's he doing? Say, Roscoe, come here. Roscoe, come here. Okay, finish with the dishes. Hello, Roscoe. There's your doggy. Say hi, Roscoe. Okay, Carter, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Carter, say bye-bye. Carter, look. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Pick him up off the floor for Mom.